Solo brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today's session is continuation of the fundamentals of organic chemistry. Last class we are discussed about nomenclature of alcohol, ether, alicyclic compound and aldehyde. Now we are discuss about ketones. General formula RCOR dash. Ketone functional group CO. What is the valency of carbon? Carbon valency 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oxygen valency 2. 1, 2. These are the general formula. What is the definition for ketone? Carbonyl group is linked to the both side by the alkyl group. This known as ketones. For example, alkane in terminal E replaced by O. That is a alkanone. Classification. Ketone can be classified into two types. First one, simple ketone. Another one, mixed ketone. What is the meaning for simple ketone? If two alkyl group attached to carbonyl groups are same and form simple ketone. If it is different, it form the mixed ketone. For example, compound, common name, IUPAC name. Molecular formula for ketones CnH2nO like aldehyde, because of aldehyde is a functional isomerism of ketone. Common name dialkyl ketone like ether. Ether common name dialkyl ether. Instead of oxygen, how to write the carbonyl group? What is the common name for ketone? Dialkyl ketone. IUPAC name alkanone. To formation of ketone, minimum 3 carbons are required. So N is equal to 3. C3 H6O. CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is the simplest ketone. Common name acetone. Or this one methyl group, it is also methyl group. So dimethyl ketone. This one example for simple ketone because of both side same number of carbon atom. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon propane. So alkanone, that is a propanone. CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. This side methyl group, this side is a ethyl group. Different carbon atom. This one best example for mixed ketone. Common name is alphabetic order ethyl methyl ketone. IUPAC name. Numbering given by the carbonyl group attached with less number of carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only how many carbon? 4 carbon is a butanone. What butanone? Functional group attached to the second position. So 2 butanone. Another compound CH3 C double bond O, CH2 CH double bond CH2. This one example for unsaturated compounds. From this side, methyl group. From this side, allyl group. Allyl group, CH2 double bond, CH2 single bond, allyl. Alphabetic order, allyl, methyl, here ketone. Allyl, methyl, ketone. Here, double bond acts as a substituent. CO group acts as a functional group. First priority functional group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thirdly, how many carbon atom? 5 carbon atom. So pentane. Double bond present in the fourth position. Pentene. So 4 pentene. Carbon group present in the second position. So 2 none. These are the examples for unsaturated compound. Next, aromatic compounds. This one best example for aromatic ketone. Methyl group and the phenyl group directly attached to the CO group. This one best example for mixed ketone. Only one carbon methyl. This known as what? Phenyl. Common name, alphabetic order, methyl phenyl ketone. IUPAC name. This aceto or acyl group considered as a prefix ordered to the phenone. IUPAC name acetophenone. Another one, C6H5, C double bond O, C6H5. Carbonyl group is linked to the both side by the aryl group. This one best example for simple ketone. From this side, phenyl group, it is also phenyl group. So, diphenyl ketone. IUPAC name, this known as a benzocompound ordered to the phenone, benzophenone. Astrophenone and benzophenone, best example for the aromatic compounds. Another functional group, carboxylic acid. What is the definition for carboxylic acid? Organic compound which containing the COOH group. This known as definition for carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid can be classified in different type. Classification. First one, monocarboxylic acid. Second one, dicarboxylic acid. Third one, tricarboxylic acid. First one is a monocarboxylic acid. What is the definition for monocarboxylic acid? Organic compound which containing the only one COOH group. This name is called monocarboxylic acid. General formula RCOOH. Suffix ic acid. In alkane, terminal E replaced by ic acid. That is alkanoic acid. For example, common name IUPAC name. Here molecular formula CnH2nO2 or CnH2n plus 1 COOH group. This one used for lower number of carbon atom. This one used for that is a oleic acid or palmitic acid, or another one is a unsaturated acid. That is a fatty acid. What is the meaning for fatty acid? Long chain carbon atom which containing the carboxylic group. This name is called fatty acid. Fatty acid nothing but palmitic acid, oleic acid, stearic acid. This one used for lower number of carbon atom. Common name is can be derived from their sources. IUPAC name alkanoic acid. For example, simplest carboxylic acid HCOOH. Simplest carboxylic acid. This name formic acid. In Greek word, formica means red ant, obtained from the red ant. So this is the simplest carboxylic acid, formic acid. This carboxylic acid which containing only one carbon, so methane. So IUPAC name methanoic acid. Another one. CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. Write down any carboxylic acid. First satisfy the valency of all the atoms. Carbon valency 4, oxygen valency 2, hydrogen valency 1. Common name butyric acid. This obtained from butrum. Butrum nothing but butter. IUPAC name, total common carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon, so butanoic acid. Next one, CH3, CH, CH3, COOH. This one best example for branched carboxylic acid. In the branched carboxylic acid, we give the some notation alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Functional group nearest carbon alpha, next carbon beta. In the alpha portion, there is a substituent. So, common name alpha methyl. Common carbon atom, 3 carbon atom. So, propionic acid. Propio, nothing but first fat obtained from the fat. What is the IUPAC name? At IUPAC name, you have to given by the number. Lowest number given by the this carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid which containing the carbon atom. So give the list number from this side. 1, 2, 3. In the second portion there is a methyl group. So 2 methyl, remaining common carbon, 3 carbon, propanoic acid. Another one examples, CH3, CH2, CH, Br, COOH. Common name, functional group nearest carbon alpha, beta, gamma. In the alpha portion there is a substituent, the halogen. So alpha bromo. Total common carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So butyric acid. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second portion there is a substituent. So 2 bromo, totally common carbon atom, 4 carbon atom, that is a butanoic acid. 2 bromo, butanoic acid. This all are example for monocarboxylic acid. Another one is a dicarboxylic acid. Organic compound which containing the 2 carboxylic group, this name is called dicarboxylic acid. Short notation, Ohm's law. N is equal to 2. Number of carbon atom 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. O means oxalic acid. M means malonic acid. S means succinic acid. G means glutaric acid. A means adipic acid. These are the short notation for example. Oxalic acid. This one best example for simplest dicarboxylic acid, 2 carbon atom, name is called oxalic acid. IUPAC name, totally how many number of carbon atom? 2 carbon atom, 1, 2, so ethane, 2 carbon ethane, 1, 2 dioic acid. Another one, CH2, COOH, COOH. 2 or 3 carbon atom, this name is called malonic acid. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. Propane 1, 3 dioic acid. Another one, CH double bond, CH, COOH. This common name, maleic acid. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. If 2 carboxylic group, that is the same group attached to the same side of carbon-carbon double bond, this name is called cis. Cis. Bute, only common number of carbon atom, 4 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third portion is a double bond. Bute 3 in 1, 4 dioic acid. Another one, CH double bond, CH, COOH. If 2 carboxylic acid present in the opposite side, this name is called fumaric acid. If present in the opposite position, this name is called trans. Trans, bute, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So 2, not 3, 2. Here bute 2 in 1, 4 dioic acid. These two are best example for unsaturated dicarboxylic acid, and this is saturated is a dicarboxylic acid. Another one is a dry carboxylic acid. Organic compound which containing the 3 carboxylic group, this known as a dry carboxylic acid. For example, CH2, COOH, CH, COOH, CH2, COOH. Best example for ascorbic acid. This one present in the vitamin C. What is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. Totally how many carbon? 3 carbon. Propane 1, 2, 3 dry carboxylic acid. Another one, CH2 COOH HO CH2 COH. This one best example for citric acid. Citric acid present in the lemon. What is the IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3. In the second portion there is a hydroxy group, so 2-hydroxy propane 1, 2, 3 dry carboxylic acid. These are the example for dry carboxylic acid. Another one is aromatic acid. Functional group attached to the is a benzene nucleus. This name is called aromatic compound. Simplest aromatic compound name benzenic acid. It is a benzoic acid. IUPAC name benzene carboxylic acid. Another one example for aromatic carboxylic acid. If two different functional group attached to the benzene nucleus, how to give the name? Carboxylic acid and OH group, first priority for the carboxylic acid. This is a rule. Common name salicylic acid. That is orthosalicylic acid. What is orthosalicylic acid? Functional group, that is a EPA group attached to the adjacent carbon atom. This name is called orthosalicylic acid or orthohydroxy benzoic acid. IUPAC name. Functional group directly attached to the benzene nucleus. Give the least number 1, 2. What's the name? 2-hydroxy benzene carboxylic acid. If two same carboxylic group attached to the benzene nucleus, this name is called phthalic acid. If two carboxyl group present adjacent carbon atom, this name is called phthalic acid, alternative isophthalic acid, opposite terphthalic acid. What is the IUPAC name? 1, 2. Benzene 1, 2 dicarboxylic acid. These are example for aromatic carboxylic acid. Next, functional derivatives of carboxylic acid. There are different types of derivatives of carboxylic acid. First one, acid halide. General formula RC double bond OX. X nothing but halogen. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. What is the meaning for this? In carboxylic group, OH group can be replaced by the halogen to form R C double bond O X. Common name can be derived from their sources. IUPAC name, that is a suffix aryl halide. For example, CH3C double bond O Cl. Common name can be derived from their sources. 2 carbon, that is acetic acid. So common name acetyl chloride. Because of halogen chlorine. IUPAC name only 2 carbon present. So ethane, ethanyl chloride. This one best example for acid halide. Another one is acid anhydride. General formula RCOO double bond R dash. This one is a general formula for acid anhydride. How to obtain? Alkanoic acid. Acid can be replaced by the anhydride. That is a alkanoic anhydride. For example, CH3, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3. Common name can be derived from their sources. 2 carbon derivatives. This name is called acetic acid. So acetic anhydride. IUPAC name 2 carbon derivatives. So ethane, ethanoic anhydride. So general name alkanoic anhydride. 2 carbon means ethanoic anhydride. This one best example for acid anhydride. Another one ester. How to form the ester? Any carboxylic acid react with alcohol in the presence of mineral acid to form the ester. That is a general formula RCOOR dash. The carboxylic acid RCOOH. Hydrogen can be replaced by the R. So RCOO R dash. Suffix alkonoate. For example, CH3 COO CH2 CH3. These are the derivatives. Hydrogen can be replaced by the ethyl group. This is known as sources, 2 carbon sources, that is acetic acid. This name ethyl acetate. IUPAC name alkonoate, that is a alkyl alkonoate. Ethyl ethanoate. This one best example for ester. Another one functional derivative is amide. General formula RCONH2. In ethane, that is alkane. General name alkane. Alkane terminal E can be replaced by amide. That is a alkanamide. For example, CH3 C double bond O NH2. Here valency of carbon 4, hydrogen 1, oxygen 2, nitrogen 3. Before write on the compounds, first satisfy the compounds valency are satisfied. What is a common name? Common name can be derived from their sources. 2 carbon, so acetic acid. So common name acetamide. IPAC name alkanamide. Here only 2 carbon, so ethanamide. Another one C6H5 C double bond O NH2. This one best example for aliphatic amide. This one example for aromatic amide. Aromatic amide, the benzene, so benzamide. IPAC name benzene carboxamide. These two are example for amide. Next functional group nitrocompounds. General formula RNO2. N double bond O, positive charge is a negative charge. N double bond O, coordinate bond. Because of oxygen containing the 2 lone pair, nitrogen which contains the 1 lone pair, able to donate to the oxygen atom. This bond is a coordinate bond. All are same. Functional group for nitrocompounds NO2. Here IPAC name nitroalkane. IPAC name nitro compounds can be derived from the nitro derivatives of corresponding alkane. Here prefix NO2. For example, CH3 NO2. This one simplest nitro compounds. Nitro, common carbon, 1 carbon, methane. Another one CH3 CH NO2 CH2 CH3. 4 carbon atom. Functional group attached to the carbon atom. Which side is a less carbon? Give the least number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 nitro. Totally common carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane. Another one CH3 CH3 NO2 is a CH3. This carbon atom is what? Primary carbon. Primary carbon means functional group attached to the carbon carrying 2 hydrogen and 1 alkyl group. This compound is a secondary compound. Secondary compound nothing but functional group attached to the carbon carrying 1 hydrogen, 2 alkyl group. If 2 alkyl group are same, this name is called iso. If it is different, that is name is called secondary. Functional group attached to the carbon carrying no hydrogen but 3 alkyl group. This compound is a tertiary carbon. What is the IPAC name? Select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3. Second portion there is a nitro group and methyl group. 2 nitro, 2 methyl. Totally common number of carbon atom 3 carbon. So propane. Another one CH3 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 CH2 NH2. This compound what compound? Simplest primary compounds. Functional group attached to the carbon carrying 2 hydrogen, 1 alkyl group. How to give the number? Functional group attached to the first carbon atom, give the least number. 1, 2, 3. 1 nitro. In the second position there are 2 methyl group. So 2, 2 dimethyl Totally common number of carbon atom 3. 1, 2, 3. That is a propane. Next, aromatic nitrocarbons. Functional group directly attached to the benzene nucleus. This known as the simplest aromatic nitrocarbon name is called Isle of Merbane. Merbane used for making soap and perfumes. IPAC name nitrobenzene. If two same group attached to the benzene nucleus, how to give the numbering? Any one of the functional group act as a epoch group. Epoch group means starting group. By using this one, you have to give the another one. Epoch group nearest carbon ortho, next carbon is a meta. That is alternative carbon meta. So meta dinitro benzene. IPAC name 1, 2, 3. 1, 3 dinitro benzene. This 3 nitro group attached to the benzene nucleus, one more is a OH group. Combining the OH group and nitro group, OH group is a first priority according to the rule. Give the least number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Common name picric acid. IPAC name. In the second, fourth, sixth position, there is a 3 substituent. That is the same substituent. 2, 4, 6 dry nitro. This compound is phenol compound. Phenol. This is another one compound. There is no common name. There is a complicated structure. This one considered as a DNT. Methyl group and NO2 group. There are 2 groups present in the benzene nucleus. This one acts as a epoch group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the name? 2, 4, 6 dry nitro. This group is a toluene group. Toluene. This is nothing but DNT. DNT nothing but trinitrotoluene explosive compound. These are the examples for aromatic nitrocarbons. Let us recap the nomenclature of ketones. Ketones can be classified into 2 types, simple ketone and mixed ketone. General formula RCHO, functional group CHO. Another one is a carboxylic acid. These are classified in different types: monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid, tricarboxylic acid. Another one is a aromatic acid. General formula RCOOH. Another one is a functional derivatives of carboxylic acid. There are different types of carboxylic acid. First one is acid halide, another one is acid anhydride, next ester, next amide. Last one is nitrocarbons. Nitrocarbon general formula RNH2. IPAC name nitroalkane, both aliphatic and aromatic compounds. Organic compound is a volatile nature. How to practice regularly. Good luck.